Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this nice occasion, I would like to do my third project in English. It is IT presentation. But before that, I would like to show you the list of content. So the first is we've got introduction and then parts of the tiny bit, and then the third is what is microbit, what is tiny bit, what app is used, what is makecode, what is love robot, how to control, how to make it, the program, and the conclusion. Yes, there is so many. Now before I explain the tiny bit, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Yusuf Maulana Anfala, and I'm from 7A class. And let's just get straight into it. So here is the parts of the tiny bit. It has the ultrasonic sensor, the infrared line tracking sensor, and then the microbit. Now I will explain one by one, starting from the microbit. The BBC Microbit is a pocket-sized programmable computer designed for education and STEM learning, roughly half the size of a credit card. It features a LED display, sensors, Bluetooth, and buttons allowing beginners to create interactive projects, games, and wearable devices. And then the next, I will explain the tiny bit. So the tiny bit is a compact and powerful smart robot car designed for STEM education, specifically built to work with the BBC Microbit controller. It features a small, simple design suited for maneuvering in tight spaces, allowing users to learn programming through makeouts. And the next is what app is used to create the tiny bit Bluetooth controller. So we use two apps, Microbit and then Lovely Robot. So the Microbit is used to program the tiny bit to program the microbit that is inside the tiny bit, and then the Lovely Robot app is used to control and move the tiny bit. So what is MakeCode? So MakeCode is a free open source platform for creating engaging computer science learning experiences, primarily using blocks-based coding similar to Scratch. It's used to program the microbit that is inside the tiny bit. And then second one is what is Lovely Robot? So Lovely Robot is an additional open source robot kit designed for children and beginners to learn coding, electronics, and mechanics. It features wooden laser parts and an Arduino-based controller and integrates with Scratch for visual programming to create interactive vehicles, robots, and musical instruments. So this Lovely Robot app is used to control and move the tiny bit. And then how to control the tiny bit? So you just need to press the arrow on the control, or maybe you can press the arrow keys on the keyboard of your laptop. So it's like this. Wait. So we just press on the arrow like this, and the tiny bit will move. Okay. Then how to make it? So first go to your MakeCode project and then program the microbit after the microbit is programmed. And then second, after the microbit is programmed, insert it to the tiny bit. And then the third one, go to Cardboard Lovely Robot and connect your computer with the microbit. And then the fourth one is move the tiny bit with clicking on the arrows cursor or click the arrow keys on your keyboard. So here is the program of the tiny bit of the microbit. So we just click here. So here is the program. there is many programs in the microbit so that the tiny bit tiny bit can move. So the first one is on start Bluetooth URL service show icon. So when it starts, it enables a Bluetooth service and then show icon this on the LED of the microbit. So when the microbit started, it enables a Bluetooth service so that the tiny bit can so that the microbit can connect with the laptop. And then this one, when the Bluetooth connected, it will show icon smile on the LED of the microbit. And then when the Bluetooth is disconnected, it will show X icon. So this is when the Bluetooth finally connected to the laptop. So if the move was up and press the up arrow, the car will run forward at the speed of 102 and then show LEDs forward. It goes the same for the other, like the control. If we press the down arrow, if the movement was down, then the car will move back and then show LEDs back. And this too, if the movement is left, then the car will go left and then show LEDs too. And this is the same too. If the movement was right, the car will move right and then show LED. Or else if we didn't press anything, the car will stop. Then let's get back. Oh. So the conclusion is TinyBit controller is my first IT project. It teaches me that Bluetooth can connect laptop to robotic devices and control it. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Sorry if I did a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.